Hi, I'm Stephanie Boswell, and this is Chef Steph Reax. Today, I'm going to be reacting to a stitched video from @Alan Chicken Chow, and this is called The Perfect Dessert Recipe. Big words.
Banana.
Banana.
Jesus.
Nutella.
Nutella.
Banana milk.
Banana milk.
But
Coffee.
Coffee.
Perfect.
No straw, no problem.
first off, where is she from that she gets this fantastic accent?
Banana milk.
Amazing. I could listen to her read a phone book. I love the way that Mr. @Alan Chicken Chow. I like the novelty, I like the weird, and I love the way he did it. I mean, biting into a banana that is so great. I like to make everything inside a banana, but I don't know a single milk frother that has enough power to get through a banana that is sort of underripe. Okay, that didn't work. Where are you pouring the Nutella and the milk into?
Are you saying if the internet is made of lies?
I'm saying the internet might not always be as true as you wish it was. Coffee, banana, okay, so it's banoffee, right? Coffee, banana, banana milk, whipped cream. It should taste great. Is it the perfect dessert recipe? The perfect, and they put perfect in all caps. And as someone who speaks in all caps, the perfect dessert recipe, it's banana and coffee. Perfect? Perfect. I mean, I'm gonna try this recipe because it sounds like it probably would taste good. Do I think it is the perfect dessert recipe? No, I do not. But it looks like a pretty fun drink. And I'm gonna not do it inside a banana because this new invention right here. We made these back in the olden days for drinking things out of. Like and subscribe for more pastry stuff. Pastry reactions, pastry videos, pastry all the time.